Consider the following statements regarding the Indian Federation. Which of these is are correct? 1. The federal system not only ensures the efficient governance of the country but also reconciles national unity with regional autonomy. Second, local self-government in India is an exercise of federalism. So answer, local self-government, democratic decentralization. One only. Next, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution resembles the unitary features? 1. Article 249, second Article 312, third Article 280, yeah, Article 201. Answer all of the above. Article 249, power of Parliament to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list in the national interest. Article 312, services, the services known at the commencement of this constitution as the Indian Administrative Services and the Indian Police Service shall be deemed to the services created by the Parliament under this article. Article 201, bill reserved for the consideration. When a bill is reserved by a governor for the consideration of the president shall declare either that he assents to the bill or that he withholds assent therefrom, provided that where the bill is not a money bill. Article 280, Finance Commission, the President shall within 2 years from the commencement of this constitution and thereafter at the expiration of every 5th year or at such earlier times as the President considers necessary by order constitute a Finance Commission which shall consist of a chairman and 4 other members to be appointed by the President. Next, consider the following statements. Which of these are correct? 1. Indian Federation is not the result of an agreement among the states. Second, the states have no rights to secede from the Federation. Answer is both. Next, which of the following is true regarding the federal government? 1. Powers are divided between the national and regional government by the Parliament. Second, Britain, France and US are example of federation. Answer is none. Next, which of the following is not an essential element of a federal form of government? 1. Flexible constitution. 2. Division of power. 3. Independent judiciary. 4. Separation of power. Answer 1 and 4. Next, which of the following is the best manifestation of asymmetric federalism in the Indian Constitution? 1. Article 371, 2nd, 5th schedule, 3, 6th schedule. Answer is all of the above. Next, consider the following statements. Which of these are correct? 1. CAG restrict the financial autonomy of the states. 2nd, all India services violate the principle of federalism. Answer is both. Next, consider the following statements regarding federal features of the Constitution of India. Which of these features are essentially federal? 1. Division of power. 2nd, independence of judiciary. 3. Bicameralism. 4. All India service. 1, 2 and 3. Features of the federal system of India. 1. Dual government, division of powers between various levels, rigid constitution, independence of judiciary, dual citizenship, bicameralism, all India services. Feature of unitary system. Next, consider the following statements. Which of these are correct? 1. Federal can be formed either by way of integration or way of disintegration. The US is the first and oldest federation in the world formed by the way of disintegration. One only. Answer.